all their different brands of games.
Yeah.
And one character that the fans have been wanting in the game is Ridley. They've been wanting this dragon character named Ridley in the game. And for the past like 10 years,
He's one of the top comics.
I know that. You know that.
Well, wasn't that
big LED.
Ronnie? Wasn't that he was saying, you know, he wanted to go after the guy?
Judging. Be working with. DASHCAM. What a luxury product for your home without the markup. Okay. Here's your first one on the board. This is a gender reveal party. It's send you stuff.
Yeah, it drives my wife nuts because it stinks up our refrigerator.
Hey Richard, this is your dad. Got some bad news. We was out hunting last night for some squirrels and your mom was eaten by a pride of lions.
287. Fucking gold.
I see him coming.
Never fails.
Well, I guess we'll have the funeral soon when you get here. Because you're pretty far.
He's always got something going on. Again, this podcast is why does it not end? I guess we're saying, is he not?
Excellent.
The sentiment of the shirt isn't lost. If I put that shirt on, I guarantee you, there would be fireworks in my life. Some people, first of all, I feel like
Like a blacksmith is digging, banging out that metal?
Yeah. To me at Jerry's party, and you did say you're going to do my show.
Yes.
Well,
yes.
let's not forget that.
Yeah, but I got to get my ass out to California.
I know.
If I do. I want to do your show, but again,
here's the
I don't
thing.
think I'd be a good guest on your show, by the way.
You'd be a fantastic guest, and I'm going to hold you to it.
Okay.
No
I'll do
weaseling
it.
out.